What time is it? 5:40. 5:40 at the train station. Breakfast. I hope it's good.
Maybe a sandwich? Quiche? Oh, that's a sandwich.
We gotta get off this train. This is the outfit I'm traveling in today, but I'm about to change in this bathroom. So this is the before, and we are now in Brno. And
my explanation made no sense here, so here's editing Olivia, but basically we are going to tour a bespoke atelier, participate in a marketing workshop, and get a private tour of the famous Vila Tugendhat and consequence Forma by the architect who designed it.
Daily we have like 2 or 3 clients. We have to like produce the stuff like right here on the next spaces you see. It's her working space. Jan is doing on the opposite side. This is after I think first try where we adjust like the shape of me. Yes, and there is added zipper, and then we will add the final layer, which will be in white.
we just left the tailoring business, and we are now going to this brand called KUMST. They represent a bunch of different types of artists. We're supposed to come up with some pitches for them on how to do marketing. I'm not a marketing major, so we'll see how this goes. They're treating us like royalty here.
We basically have designers from specific areas to grow and ideally grow into international companies. So that's the main scope. We are founded by the South Korean Innovation Center, which you probably heard about.
My name is Philippe. it's Miss van den Roo. Ludwig Miss van den Roo.
Why do you like this architect so much?
This house in particular defines modernity. And so what's always interesting is put it in the context of the time.
2 4-leaf clovers. Wow.
Yes, in 1 minute. Do any of you want them?
No, you have to keep them for good long.
I have so many of them.
Oh my god.
You found some?
You found one?
Yeah.
Where are they looking?
Found one.
Wow. Wow. This is so nice.
Now the building now has 8 feet.
It can turn yellow or orange according to the intensity of sun. That is still beauty, but the beauty that we are not used to, and the beauty that we cannot affect in any way.
Oh, yeah,
We're gonna get a tour of this public space from the architect who designed this public space.
Try it. Really try it. Cheese. Cheese.
Outfit of the night.
It's a little overexposed.
Skirt by me.
Oh, you made it?
I did. I'm gonna get this one.
Right, let's try this.
What do you rate this beef tartare out of 10?
I think it's very tasty.
My voice sounds a little strained. I've been having the worst allergies here, along with some other girls on the trip, so partially wondering if we're all a little bit sick. Anyways, not the point. Just wanted to do a little quick check-in because this vlog is about a study abroad trip, but I feel like so far I've only kind of filmed the fun stuff we've been doing, not really like the project stuff that we're working on. Basically, we're doing a project for Vogue Czechoslovakia, and it's supposed to target Gen Z, and we're going to be presenting these to the actual founder of Vogue Czechoslovakia. It's not just a little made-up school project. It's like an actual project we're presenting to the real Vogue team, and it's a competition. There are 4 different groups. We got to pick our own groups. The Vogue team is going to choose which out of the 4 is the best project, and possibly work with us and actually develop the project. So kind of a big opportunity here. We're only like day 2 into developing the ideas, but right now my team is kind of playing with the idea of creating. Could be cool, could be not cool. But I'm super competitive, and at dinner tonight, all the teams were talking smack about how they're gonna win. Let's update. This day has been insane. Got up at 5 a.m. to get on the train this morning. Gonna go do a little bit of work on my computer and pass out. Official taste test. Orange coconut coffee. I feel like I should mix this though. It does not taste like coffee. It tastes like a tropical drink. Sandwich taste test. It looks pretty though. Marzipan cake. Doesn't taste like marzipan. Oh no. That tastes like berries. It's good. Taste test done. Toy unboxing. Wow. Cardboard. Wait, I'm gonna build it real quick. I'm gonna speed run it. The reveal. Good night.
Nádraží and Praha zahradní město, which is a terminus station.
Pull your camera. That's not. I know I need to take a picture. I'm like, you know what? You're right. She's right. Okay, so we are officially back in Prague, and we're not doing anything today besides going to dinner. We have to leave for dinner in like 20 minutes, and I decided that now would be a good time to cut some bangs. I feel like they turned out pretty good. This is the look tonight. I think I'm gonna wear these little heels. For some reason, I feel like dressing up and the little balls on the heels, I feel like go cute with the little polka dots, so. We also decided that I'm gonna wear the gloves that I made from pointe shoes, upcycled pointe shoes. Taking the train to Din Din.
This right here is not gold teeth.
Just the gloves. Is it on?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Favorite meal so far? The pastry. It looks like a cinnamon bun. Dessert taste test. I'm gonna rate it out of 10. Okay. I'm gonna say 10 out of 10.
So I think I won this battle, the better dessert.
Okay, yours is definitely cuter.
This is my first time eating the Cocoa Puff ice cream.
Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Puff.
8.5 out of 10, but I haven't tried the ice cream.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Wow. No,
really
because
good.
it's so good.
This just in, yeah. We got chocolate ice cream and berries. 10 out of 10.
Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, go when you're ready.
Go when you're ready. Walk.
Yeah. Na, na, na.
Also, that looks like the Hogwarts thingy. Hey vlog. It's me, Ava. We're in the rain. Midnight in Prague. Those two, they're running to the bar. I am taking my the rain and happy Prague.
I thought you were gonna say happy Pride. Happy Prague and happy Pride. Yes.
We love all here.
We do.
Again. Me and Olivia here. We're walking back from the clubs. And it's pouring rain on us. Cassie and McQueen are up there. And they're being real cute. And we're all soaking wet. Anyway, good night.
We've been working for 12 hours straight today on this project. How does everyone feel?